So let's talk a bit about the customers that are adopting Sage Intacct. What are they like?
Well, we've got quite a mixed bag, to be honest with you. So we've got some smaller businesses, which are just a few users in the low millions in terms of turnover, right the way through to some customers with multiple hundreds of users and in the multi-billions in terms of turnovers. So, you know, Sage Intacct has got that real wide breadth of covering lots and lots of different businesses of different shapes and sizes. In terms of market sectors, you know, we're seeing some market sectors starting to emerge in our customer base. So we have charities and not-for-profit, we have healthcare providers, we have financial services providers, we have software, so companies that deal with software and maintenance and that sort of stuff. We've got travel companies, legal services companies, some distribution businesses, and then we've got customers who deliver transport and logistics. And then we've just got some general service providers. So like I say, it covers many different industries, many different businesses.
It does. And I think what we can bring to the table there is that our consultants also have experience in all of those sectors. So myself, I have worked in everything from manufacturing right up to charities and not-for-profits. So when those businesses come to us and they need our help, we can not just look at the software, but we can actually tailor it to the business processes that they actually require.